Welcome to the world of management.
Book Chapter 1, Nature and Purpose of Business. Detailed notes. Small diamond 1. Meaning and concept of business. Business refers to any activity involving the production, purchase, sale, or exchange of goods and services with the objective of earning profit. It is primarily an economic activity. It includes industry, production, and commerce, distribution and services. Example: a person opens a garment shop, buys clothes from manufacturers, and sells them to customers to earn profit. Small diamond 2. Characteristics of business activities. Economic activity. Business is done with the purpose of earning income. Production or procurement. Goods must be produced or purchased to sell. Sale or exchange. There must be a transaction between buyer and seller. Profit motive. The primary aim is to earn profit. Risk element. There is always uncertainty about returns. Continuity in dealings. A business is not a one-time activity. Legality. It must follow rules and regulations. Example: a bakery runs daily, makes and sells bread, and earns profit. It faces risks like spoilage or fewer customers. Small diamond 3. Types of economic activities. Type meaning. Example: business, production or exchange of goods, services for profit. Running a mobile shop. Profession: specialized service requiring knowledge or license. Doctor, lawyer, architect. Employment: working for others under contract for salary. Teacher in a private school. Small diamond 4. Objectives of business. Business is not only about profit. It includes several objectives. Economic objectives: profit earning essential for survival and growth. Production or sale: ensuring product availability. Market creation: finding and expanding customer base. Innovation: new ideas, products, methods. B. Social objectives: providing quality goods at fair prices. Avoiding unfair practices. A. Black marketing. Employment generation. Environmental protection. C. Human objectives: employee satisfaction. Providing good working conditions. Employee training and development. D. National objectives: contributing to GDP and national development. Promoting exports. Paying taxes on time. E. Global objectives: expanding to international markets. Adopting global quality standards. Participating in global trade. Example: Tata Group works toward profits, provides employment, supports social causes, CSR, and operates globally. Small diamond 5. Classification of business activities. Industry involves production of goods. Primary industry uses natural resources. Example: agriculture, fishing, mining. Secondary industry converts raw materials into products. Manufacturing: textiles, steel. Construction: building roads, bridges. Tertiary industry provides services to industry and trade. Example: transport, banking, insurance. B-commerce deals with distribution and supporting services. Trade: buying and selling. Internal trade, within the country. External trade, import and export. Aids to trade: transport moves goods. Banking provides finance. Insurance reduces risk. Warehousing: storage of goods. Advertising promotes products. Example: Amazon uses warehousing, delivery services, advertising, and online payments to support its e-commerce business. Small diamond 6. Business risk. Meaning: risk refers to the possibility of loss due to unforeseen circumstances in business. Nature: due to uncertainties. Always present. Degree of risk varies. Profit is the reward for risk taking. Causes of risk: natural causes: earthquakes, floods. Human causes: strikes, thefts, dishonesty. Economic causes: market fluctuations, inflation. Political causes: changes in policies. Other causes: technological changes, competition. Example: a hotel faces a drop in bookings due to political unrest in the region. Pushpin case studies. Case study 1, Dabur India Limited. Type: Indian FMCG, fast moving consumer goods company. Activities: produces Ayurvedic products, healthcare goods. Objectives: profit motive, promote herbal wellness, social, international presence, global. Case study 2, Amul Type, dairy cooperative. Commerce: marketing and selling dairy products like milk, cheese. Social objectives: supporting farmers, providing quality milk at fair prices. Business risk: perishable nature of dairy products. Case study 3, Ola Cabs Industry, Service, Tertiary sector. Model: app-based cab booking service. Risks: driver strikes, fuel price hikes, app outages. Global objective: expanded to international markets like Australia and UK. Thanks for the audience. I hope your pal found it helpful. We'll back with another chapter with detailed examples and case study.